Hello viewers, in this video I'll show you how to fix Instagram. Your account was compromised. Change your password to secure your account. If you want to solve this problem, please follow the step. Step 1. Open your phone setting, scroll down, tap on apps, tap on manage apps, search Instagram application, go to Instagram application, click on storage, again click on clear data, tap on clear cache data, go back, tap on apps permission, enable or allowed all apps permission, open Play Store, update your Instagram application latest version. Step 4. Restart your device. Step 5. Open your Instagram application, tap on profile picture, tap on 3 line, again tap on account center, go to password and security, click on change password, again click on Instagram application, enter your current password and you can update your new password and renew password. You can follow all of the steps to fix Instagram. Your account was compromised. Change your password to secure your account. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this video.